all about AI and how you would adapt AI in your respective company, because AI is such a popular topic now. But I think the most important thing is how would AI bring about efficiency, bring about reduction of cost, and how would AI be able to integrate to your own business solution. I think that's the most important thing. Actually, that's why it's very important that the objective of AI is to be able to make the company more efficient and to have the competitive advantage against your competitor. Okay, so it's by reduction of cost, making faster decision. How would you really integrate AI to your business solution? Let's say, for example, to your day-to-day supply chain or to your ERP. So those are the most important thing. There are other AI like what you do in Chat GPT and those graphics, but those are more on the consumer side. Yeah. But what is really important is how you are going to implement it in your respective company. Yeah. Because like say for example, company like Tesla, they're doing it differently because they're planning to do on the robotics, they're planning to do on the autonomous driving. So those are different. Yeah. But for the respective company, it's also different. Yeah. AI is very important, and I hope that our CXO, our friends in the industry, will really learn a lot from this CXO summit that we do every year. This is actually our eighth CXO summit here in Boracay.